this birthday flag is coming up. All right, we have our background already. Yeah, so I got this background from Pinterest. Yeah, so I will leave a link in the description as well. So we're going to import our images one after the other. All right, so let's import one resources. We head over to the layer side, we click and drag. All right, and we lock our layer. We're going to change the color to this particular gradient over here. We're going to import another image. Click on the plus icon, go for test. So I'm going to use some test effects for this birthday over here. So I'll click on this test effect. Alright, so we click on edit. Just gonna type birthday. You're gonna position it here. Click on the plus icon, go for shape. Increase the radius so that it turns to a circle. Use particular gradient over here. Reduce the size. Then position it here. You go to opacity, then reduce opacity. Go to the layer side, click and drag under this image. Okay, so we click on the plus icon, go for a test. We head over to font. We are going to change the font. We're going to change the font to this better regular over here. Then we change the color to white. We're going to bold the text. Okay. Increase the size. Click on the plus icon, go for text again. Change the color to white. Change the font. Go to edit. Click on the plus icon, go for text again. position it here. We head over to font. We change the font to Montserrat regular. Change the color to white. Okay, click on edit. So I have this text on my clipboard that I'm going to paste. Okay, this is a birthday wishing message. Okay, reduce the size. Okay, yeah. All right, so we're gonna make this duplicate of this text over here. Position it here. Go to edit. You head over to line spacing and cross line spacing. We head over to color, then we give it a gradient color. Let's make it caps. Yeah, something like this. Okay. Reduce the size a bit. Alright, so we click on a plus icon, go for a shape. Okay, we're going to place this shape on this text over here on the April. Then we position it well. Go to the layer side under it, something like this. Okay, I think this is okay. Right, so we import one more for our background. Okay, this is it. Increase the size, then we're gonna rotate it. Yeah, should rotate it like this rather. Oh, sorry. Alright, so we head over to opacity, then reduce opacity to something like this. Let's lock our layers. We're gonna make a duplicate of this one over here. Increase the size. Oh, increase the size. Let's rotate it back, okay, to something like this. Okay, yeah, so let's reduce opacity to, let's say, 30. Head over to the layer side, click and drag. Okay, all right, let's make another duplicate. All right, this time around we're gonna rotate it like this. Right, let's go to the layer side, click and drag. We lock our layers. All right,